Hello my lovelies, I hope that you're all well. So today I'm just gonna get straight into it and just do a really quick unboxing video. This is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's in the 512 GB model, which is currently the largest memory available. It's the newest and biggest iPhone that's available at the moment. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Now unfortunately I'm having, just because I couldn't work out the best setup to do this, so I'm gonna be doing it one-handed and filming with the other hand. So let's just get into it. Unfortunately it came with the plastic just slipping off a little bit. The box is a lot different to what the normal boxes are. It's a lot slimmer, and this is super heavy, so that's the first thing I'm gonna say. And here we go. So the way to open it is just simply like that. So there goes the plastic wrapping. The lid is the box is made quite a high quality product. Oh my god, and it's straight into the phone. I think this, is that case supposed to come off on it? No. Okay, so it just takes you straight to it. And then I'm just gonna lift up the handset, and there it is, and it's super heavy is the first thing I'm gonna tell you. It is absolutely super heavy. So I'm just gonna have a look what else is in the box. So the box is really thin, so you get one standard Apple lightning cable. Let me see which one this is, because now there's two types of Apple plugs you can actually get. So this is the USB type C, so this is the newer plug. It will only work with the newer plug, which you'll be fine for if you have recently purchased an Apple item. And this is just the standard Apple sticker that you get. If you've bought an Apple product before, can you tell me what you do with these stickers? What have you personally done with these stickers? That's what I want to know. And that's just the little box it came in. And there's the Apple device for inserting the SIM card. And that's basically it. This is very standard box. And now to the phone. There's the phone. Guys, what do you think? I got it in the blue. I always get my iPhones in gold, but this time I got it in the blue. I do like the color blue, and I made a change because this was the fastest delivery option. And then I'm just gonna peel away this safety paper, guys, and there you go. You can just see my iPhone 11 Pro. Oh dear, you just saw me as well. So there's my iPhone 11 Pro that you can see that I'm filming with. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That was the unboxing video. I kept it very straight and simple and straightforward. And I did just get it with these are the AirPods. They're genuine Apple AirPods, and it's the one with the charging case. Let me know, do you have AirPods? Which AirPods you have, and what are the pros and cons of having them? Should I bother to upgrade my AirPods or not? And what are your feelings about them not providing a plug? I don't think that's good, because like if you're just starting out or whatever, or you could have lost or damaged your old one, so I think you deserve a new plug, a new wire, and new earphones, because this only has the one port on it, and it's that one just to put the lightning cable in. So let me know your thoughts on that. I'm not too impressed about that, especially at the cost that literally you buy this. Whether they feel that we're going to use those things or not, that's our choice. I believe that they should provide it, especially when you're buying a phone that costs like £1,500 or more. You definitely need those things with it. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, and answer in the comments, and leave your requests for future videos. I'm quite an Apple junkie, I would have to say. So if you would like to see more Apple products, or if you want technical reviews, then let me know. I'm just going to put it side to side actually with the iPhone X, what's this called? The XS Max Pro. Was it a Pro? XS Max. So just to give you an idea of like size and stuff. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully chat to you guys soon. I am trying really hard to be more active, and I'm gonna be posting regularly, so take care and bye.